Welcome to Dubai Property Info, the podcast which gives the latest insight of the world's most dynamic real estate market. I'm your host Vipin Kumar. Today we will take a deep dive into Dubai real estate market in 2025. We'll find out the key trends, investment prime locations, and what good points to know, whether you are a first-time buyer or an experienced investor. To begin with a big picture view, the first 7 months of this year, 2025, has been nothing short of exceptional for Dubai's property sector. Transaction volumes and values have stayed at high level. If I talk about in numbers, where 2,457 of sale transactions were recorded in Dubai Land Department. If I talk about in detail, then 118,671 properties were sold with a value of 390.56 billion dirhams. This is helped by the robust economy, a growing population, and a steady influx of international investors. The city's reputation as a safe haven destination is stronger than ever. Data of the 7 months of this year shows an overwhelming increase in transaction volume and value. If you compare, then it is a pronounced jump from last year. Off-plan properties are dominating the sale and plays a crucial role as it gives a lot of flexibility with the smart homes to new design and the layout packed with great amenities. This shows up that there's a huge appetite for new developments. And developers are responding with a massive pipeline of new projects in different locations, giving the all kind of variety of options to the investor, to the end users. So what do you think? What drives the real estate market? Or can I say the key good promoters behind this incredible growth? I would say there are three factors which plays a crucial part. Start with number one. There's the growth in population. Now the population is expected to reach 4 million by the end of this year. This influx of new residents, expats, and high net worth individuals both are creating a sustained demand of residential and commercial properties. You must have felt when you're on road, in mall, metros, parking, you must have realized that the more crowd is joining in, the new roads, the new businesses, all kind of great infrastructures are in place. I remember Expo 2020 location, one of my favorite. The dome, the gardens, the overall concept is fascinating. Now it comes with office spaces, residential building, and overall green sustainability concept location. The more green concept. Moving on to point number two, the favorable economic policies are a major draw. The UAE's robust GDP growth, along with attractive visa program like the Golden Visa for property investors, makes the city incredibly appealing. The tax-friendly environment with no taxes on the income or taxes on the property is a huge incentive. UAE is always thinking to offer something new and better. So tax-free. Now moving to number 3 point, market maturity. While we have seen rapid growth, analysts are predicting a transition to a more mature phase of the market. This means the wild year-on-year price spikes might moderate slightly in some segments as new supply comes online. But don't mistake that for a slowdown. It's a sign of a healthy, stable market. Now let's break down the residential market, which is where most of the action is. We are seeing a clear trend. The demand for off-plan properties remains exceptionally high. There are a lot of developers in the market giving exceptionally great prime locations project. Giving you example of growth in Dubai South, Dubai Island, Expo City are some. Investors are drawn to the potential for capital appreciation and the flexibility of the payment. There's a lot of flexible payment plans offered by developers. The safe, legal, transparent system gives more confidence to the investors or end user buyers. On the flip side, the lack of ready or secondary properties on the market is contributing to rising rental prices, a trend That's been challenging for many residents. When it comes to property types, the demand for villas and townhouses continues to outpace apartment in terms of price growth. Now, family friendly communities in suburban areas are booming. People are looking for more space, a quieter lifestyle, and amenities like parks and schools. Locations like Jumeirah Village Circle or JVC Dubai Hills Estate are leading the pack in this category. However, the apartment market is still very strong, particularly in mid market and central locations. One bedroom apartment in areas like JVC, Dubai Marina, and Business Bay are seeing strong demand, especially from buyers looking for high yield rental properties. And let's not forget the luxury segment. Ultra high net worth individuals are driving record breaking sale of high end villas and penthouses in exclusive communities. The demand for luxury living with world class amenities and waterfront views is showing no signs of slowing down. Beyond residential, the commercial and industrial sectors are also on fire. The commercial office market is experiencing a severe undersupply of grade A office space. This is a direct result of the massive influx of new business setting up shops in Dubai. The demand for premium office spaces has driven up rents and occupancy rates to near record highs. Areas like Business Bay and Jumeirah Lakes Tower are seeing strong activity. But emerging districts are also gaining ground as business looks for flexible layouts and more competitive pricing. Similarly, the industrial and logistic market is booming, fueled by the growth in e-commerce and manufacturing. Warehouse rents have seen a significant increase, particularly in key industrial zones like Jafza and Dubai South. So, for those of you considering an investment, what are the key takeaways? Do your due diligence. The market is strong, but not all properties are created equal. Focus on areas with real value, not just hype. Consider both off-plan and ready properties, the secondary market. Off-plan can offer great potential for capital appreciation, while ready properties can provide you immediate rental income. Look for high yield areas for rental income. Communities like JVC, Business Bay, and International City consistently offer some of the highest rental yields in the city. Think long term. The city's master plan, the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan, is focused on sustainable development and infrastructure, which works well for long term growth. That's wrap up our look at Dubai's real estate market in 2025. It's a market that's evolving but remains powerhouse of opportunities. Thanks for tuning in to Dubai's Property Info. I am Vipin Kumar and I will catch you on the next future podcast. Thank you so much.